Like I promised you guys, lo prometí es deuda. I promised you guys I was going to do a colorful eye makeup look for you guys. I did say glam as well, but this is more colorful than glam. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I promised you guys, so now I'm bringing it to you. I created this super colorful eye look. If you guys like it, then obviously you have to keep watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Pinterest, and all that other good stuff. And I did use the Reina Del Caribe eyeshadow palette, which is by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the, ooh, let me try to open it. Okay, ooh, that magnet is a strong magnet. Okay, so this is the palette. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm just gonna start and show you how I did this look. I know this look may be a little too much for some because it's a lot of color, and I mean, how many eyeshadows are here? There's 8 eyeshadows in this palette. I used all 8 eyeshadows. Normally I do not use this many eyeshadows, but I wanted to use every single one every single one of the eyeshadows in this palette so you guys can see how they all perform, and I will let you know. So let's begin, because if not, I just keep on talking and talking, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm starting out with the eyeshadow named Tropico, which is a matte shade. And as you can see, it has a lot of pigment. I'm gonna place this on my crease, mostly on my upper crease, and I'm going from outer all the way to inner corner. I'm using a Morphe E27 taper blending brush, and I'm going really softly on the skin, and I'm holding the brush from the outer corner so I can move the eyeshadow around better. These eyeshadows are very pigmented, every single one of them. And I really like this palette, obviously because I did this eye and I'm like, whoa, I'm shook. It's really nice palette. Does have a little bit of a kickback, but if you want pigment, that happens. Just be really gentle with the eyeshadow and your brush. Like, don't jab your brush into the eyeshadow, because you will get some kickback. This next eyeshadow I'm using is Guantanamera, and I'm using a Luxie 205 taper blending brush, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did with Tropico. From outer to inner corner, this one is going to be on the crease, but it's going to be a little bit lower than where I placed Tropico. Doing the same thing, holding the brush from the outer corner, softly blending the eyeshadows together. But as you can see, they blend together so nicely and smoothly. The next eyeshadow I'm using is La Costa. La Costa is a shimmer shadow, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. I'm placing La Costa on my brow bone for a nice highlight there. Next, I'm going to pick up a BH Cosmetics 102 brush, which is a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into Cafecito, and I'm going to place Cafecito on my mobile lid. So the entire mobile lid. And look at how pretty this brown eyeshadow is. I love this shade. It's beautiful. And I don't say that about brown eyeshadows, because brown eyeshadows are brown eyeshadows, but this one is so pretty. The next eyeshadow I'm using is El Malecón, and I'm gonna go in with my ring finger, and I'm gonna apply it right over Cafecito on my mobile lid. And oh my god, you guys, like, look at that pigment. Like, what? Look at how foiled this eyeshadow looks when you apply it with your finger. Like, don't even bother with a brush. Like, what? So going back to that Luxie 205 tapered blending brush with no extra product, I'm just going to buff those 2 eyeshadows just to blend them out so it doesn't look so harsh. So I'm just going right into my crease. And I'm gonna pick up a little bit of more cafecito on that BH Cosmetics 102 brush, and I'm just gonna tap it on the outer V just to darken my outer V a little bit more. And I'm just tapping it on, and I'm also gonna go back to the other two brushes that I used Guantanamera and Tropico with, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So back to the Guantanamera brush, which is the 205 brush, and I'm just gonna softly blend this. I'm gonna hold my brush from the top so I don't disturb cafecito too much. And now with the Morphe E27 blending brush in Tropico, I'm gonna blend Guantanamera. Also holding the brush from above. And that's pretty much it for my top lid. Now let's move on to my lower lashes. Right now I'm gonna take Cocoa Taxi on a Luxie 229 taper blending brush, and I'm gonna apply Cocoa Taxi like right under my lashes, and I'm gonna buff that. I'm not gonna be super precise because I do want to kind of smoke this out. And this is the lightest color I'm gonna use under my lower lashes, and I'm bringing it all the way from the outside to the inner corner of my eye. So next I'm gonna go into Varadero, which is a shimmer shade, and I'm using a Sigma small angled E65 brush. Yes, and I'm gonna place this, okay, I'm gonna need a mirror for this. I'm gonna place this right under my lashes, and I'm not gonna take it all the way in, I'm gonna go halfway. So here we go. Look how pigmented this is. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I can't get over how pigmented these eyeshadows are. So pretty. All right, before I continue, I'm going to put this Jordana eyeliner in Sterling Blue. Yeah, Sterling Blue on my waterline, especially on the corner where I placed the eyeshadow Varadero on. The next eyeshadow I'm using is Celia, also a shimmer shade. This is just a Modern Minerals brush. I'm gonna be buffing this eyeshadow right under Varadero and bringing it in a little bit closer to the inner corner, but not all the way in. I'm still gonna leave a little gap there, you guys. So I just buffing and blending these eyeshadows right under my lashes. All right, so next I'm gonna take this Crown C513 brush, and I'm gonna go into El Malecón again, and I'm gonna place this in my inner tear duct area, and I'm gonna connect it with Celia right here. All right, so next I'm going to be using the liquid eyeliner. This is the NYC liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make a wing. And I'm gonna apply some lashes before I continue. They're gonna be the Tarte's Pro lashes, and these are in the name Goddess, which are very pretty. Oh, and also before I apply the lashes, I'm going to apply mascara. Today I'm using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara on both top and bottom lashes. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look for my eyes. On my lips, I'm wearing Ofra's Verona, and I'm gonna apply this high definition liquid lipstick right over it, just because, I don't know, I feel like I want my lips to be a little glossier. I'm just gonna apply this right in the center, which these two eyeshadows are these two lipsticks are very similar, so you won't even really notice. Yeah, I like that better. Even though that Verona shade is gorgeous. So anyway, this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you like this look. Like I said before, I know these types of looks are not for everyone. Not everyone likes so much color on their eyes. But for a fun look, this is super pretty. The palette, I really do like the palette. I did not think I was gonna like the palette. I don't know why I didn't think I was gonna like the palette, but I do. I like it a lot. The shimmer shadows are amazing. They are so pigmented and they can look super foiled if you either wet the brush or use your finger. My advice, use your finger. It works way better. What else? Oh, the matte shadows are very pigmented and you can blend them. They are so blendable. So very nice palette, and it's not even an expensive palette. I think it's like $29, which is really good for the amount of eyeshadows and the quality of the eyeshadows that you're getting. Let me stop talking because I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already either. And yeah, until next time, my loves. Mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye. Alright, you guys, so like I promised, lo prometido es deuda. So I have this colorful eye for you guys, and I am using the Reina del Sur, that's what it is? No, Reina Del Caribe Alamar palette. Oh my god, the eyeshadows are amazing. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep talking because I tend to talk a lot. So let's just get to this. Let's just, you know, put some eyeshadow on our eyeballs. Let's go.